All right, so we're taking a look at some of our drone footage here. Let's see if we can see anything. Oh my gosh. Do you see that? Look in the corner. Looks like there's something else out there. We have to figure out what it is. All right, here's your next mission. You are gonna have to learn how to fly some drones. We've got to get back out there. I mean, you can see that there's something there. We've got to find out what. I need you to do a couple steps here. I know this is new to you, but I need you to learn how to fly one of our drones so that we can send them out to this same location and see, is it another community maybe? I don't know. We've got to find out. So we're going to put you through some drone training, some simulations, and then we need you to actually fly some drones out to see what this is and see if it's another community. I mean, this could be huge. If it is, maybe we can get some communication back and make some connections over there. So anyway, that's your next task. Let's go ahead and make it happen.